In today's digital world, every device we use exudes a sense of intelligence and communication, driven by software. Software, a collection of programs designed to solve specific problems, is powered by algorithms. Al-Khwarizmi, an influential figure from Baghdad, introduced mechanical and precise algorithms to the world. But what exactly is an algorithm? An algorithm, simply put, is a step-by-step method for completing a task. It's a structured computing technique that takes inputs and produces outputs. Just like planning to build a house with limited resources, or choosing the fastest route to a destination, algorithms guide computer programming in finding the best solutions. Algorithms are the backbone of computer science, providing logical methods to solve problems efficiently. They help in data gathering, processing, and displaying solutions through various interfaces. Efficient algorithms ensure that issues are solved accurately, quickly, and with minimal resource consumption. The importance of algorithms in coding lies in their ability to enhance software efficiency. They optimize accuracy, speed, memory usage, and computing power. Different algorithm categories like searching, sorting, and pathfinding cater to diverse programming needs, ensuring that the right algorithm is chosen for each specific problem. Whether in commercial applications, computer science, engineering, or artificial intelligence, understanding algorithms and selecting the appropriate one for a given problem is crucial. Before diving into coding, defining the algorithm is essential. Each algorithm serves a unique purpose, tailored to address specific challenges effectively.